Hi, I'm Jeff from Camera Jabber, and this is the DJI Mavic Air. Our review sample arrived today, and I was very keen to take it out of the box and take the battery out and charge it up so I could get flying. However, I very quickly experienced a problem that I think a lot of other people have faced as well, and a quick Google search found out that that was true. And that is simply how to fold and unfold the propellers on the DJI Mavic Air. Now, I'll take it out of its case here. As you can see, it's got this portable, foldable design, but as such, you have to unfold these propellers to be able to take the battery out and charge it. Now, I figured out how to do this, and I'm going to now show you a quick tutorial on how to unfold the propellers and then fold them back up again. Okay, here is the Mavic Air. As you can see, it's very compact, very portable. You could stuff this in a coat pocket quite easily. Now, this is the top, and this is the bottom. So, you can imagine your first instinct is probably to pull on these top propellers and open it that way. And you could, but you kind of have to force it because these propellers get stuck on the landing gear of the bottom propellers below it. So, the way you actually unfold the Mavic Air is to do the bottom propellers first. So as you can see here, I'm going to grab the bottom propeller. I tend to grab it just by the landing gear. Pull down, and it twists into shape. I'll do it to the other one. Grab it by the landing gear, pull down, twist into shape. Now, open the top propellers, simply pull it outward. And it's that simple. So, you want to fold it back up, you simply reverse the process. You're going to move the top propellers in first, and the reason you do that is because, remember, it got caught on the landing gear of the bottom propellers. So, top propellers in first, bottom propellers, push and twist, and we're all folded up again. That's how easy it is to do.